Strikingly beautiful, refreshingly sweet, and packed with nutrients, the dragon fruit is unlike any other. With its flaming pink skin and speckled interior, it almost looks like a creation from fantasy. But behind its exotic charm lies an incredible story of hard work, technology, and global trade. Today we take you deep into the fields and factories to uncover the fascinating journey of dragon fruit, how it's grown, processed, and delivered to millions of people around the world. Dragon fruit, or pitaya, grows on a climbing cactus of the genus Hylocereus. This cactus thrives in tropical and subtropical regions with plenty of sunlight and warm temperatures. Countries like Vietnam, Thailand, Malaysia, Ecuador, and Israel are among the world's leading producers. Farmers prepare the land carefully, planting cactus cuttings on tall concrete or wooden poles. The plant climbs and wraps around these structures, reaching for sunlight. Each cactus is capable of producing fruit for up to 20 years, making it a long-term investment crop. One of the most fascinating aspects of dragon fruit is its flower's giant, white blossoms that bloom only at night and last for a single evening. Farmers sometimes use artificial lighting or hand pollination to ensure good fruit set. About a month after flowering, the fruit begins to swell and ripen, changing from green to vivid pink or yellow, depending on the variety. One of the most fascinating aspects of dragon fruit is its flowers, giant white blossoms that bloom only at night and last for a single evening. Farmers sometimes use artificial lighting or hand pollination to ensure good fruit set. About a month after flowering, the fruit begins to swell and ripen, changing from green to vivid pink or yellow depending on the variety. There are several varieties of dragon fruit: white-fleshed pitaya with pink skin and white interior, the most common type; red-fleshed pitaya with deep magenta pulp, known for its rich color and stronger sweetness; yellow dragon fruit, smaller but intensely sweet with spiky yellow skin. Each variety is grown for different markets and consumer preferences, but all share the same delicate, cactus-born origins. When the fruits reach full maturity, farmers harvest them by hand. Unlike hard-skinned fruits, dragon fruit is delicate and easily bruised, so harvesting requires skill and patience. Workers use gloves and sharp cutters to detach each fruit, ensuring the skin remains intact. Fruits are collected in woven baskets or plastic crates and immediately transported to collection centers to avoid sun damage. At this stage, the fruit is still warm from the tropical sun and needs rapid cooling to maintain freshness. Within hours of being picked, dragon fruits are sent to modern processing facilities. These massive plants are designed to handle thousands of fruits per hour, ensuring quality while meeting global demand. Here begins the fascinating part of the journey, where machines take over to clean, sort, package, and sometimes transform the fruit into new products. The first stage is washing. Conveyor belts carry the fruits through powerful water jets and soft rotating brushes. This process removes soil, dust, and field residue. Some plants also use mild chlorine or ozone water treatment to eliminate microbes without affecting taste. After washing, the fruits pass through an air drying tunnel, where powerful fans remove excess moisture before the next stage. Next comes sorting and grading. High-tech optical scanners and weighing machines evaluate each fruit for weight and size, skin color and ripeness, external damage or blemishes. The best fruits, uniform in size and vibrant in color, are labeled as premium export quality. Smaller or slightly imperfect ones are sorted for local markets. Fruits with damaged skin are sent for juicing, drying, or powder production, ensuring nothing goes to waste. In some facilities, dragon fruits are processed into ready-to-eat packs. Robotic arms gently slice open the fruits, remove the thick skin, and cut the flesh into cubes or wedges. These are then packaged in sealed trays or frozen bags, ready for supermarkets. This process requires extreme care. The pulp is soft and watery, making it difficult for machines to handle without damaging the fruit. Only precise robotic cutters can manage this at industrial speed. Dragon fruit is more than just a fresh fruit. It's a versatile ingredient processed into many forms, juices and smoothies. The pulp is pressed, pasteurized, and bottled for drinks. Dried dragon fruit chips, Thin slices are dehydrated at low heat to lock in nutrients and sweetness. Purees and concentrates, used in yogurts, bakery fillings, jams, and candies. Powdered dragon fruit, spray-dried into a bright pink powder packed with antioxidants, popular in health supplements and energy drinks. Every part of the fruit can be used, even the peels are sometimes turned into animal feed or compost, making the process sustainable. Once processed, the fruits are carefully packaged. Fresh dragon fruits are wrapped in protective foam sleeves to prevent bruising, then packed into corrugated cartons. Each box is labeled with barcodes for traceability, including farm origin, harvest date, and quality grade. Finally, the boxes are stored in cold rooms at temperatures between 7–10 degrees Celsius, dramatically extending shelf life during shipping. From tropical farms to supermarket shelves worldwide, dragon fruits are shipped across continents. Export hubs in Vietnam and Thailand send thousands of tons annually to Europe, the United States, Canada, and the Middle East. Thanks to controlled atmosphere containers and cold chain logistics, the fruit maintains its freshness for weeks, reaching customers as vibrant and juicy as the day it was harvested. Beyond its striking appearance, dragon fruit is a nutritional powerhouse. It is low in calories yet rich in vitamin C, boosting the immune system, dietary fiber aiding digestion, magnesium essential for muscles and energy, antioxidants like betalains helping reduce inflammation, healthy fats from seeds supporting heart health. Its high water content also makes it a natural source of hydration, perfect for tropical climates. Modern dragon fruit factories are also embracing sustainability. Many facilities now use solar power, recycle water from washing systems, and develop biodegradable packaging. By turning waste peels into animal feed or natural fertilizer, the cycle of farming and processing becomes more eco-friendly. From desert-like cactus farms to futuristic machines, the journey of dragon fruit is a fascinating combination of nature and technology. Once a rare delicacy, it is now processed with precision and shared with millions around the globe. And behind every slice of dragon fruit you enjoy is the silent, efficient work of machines, making the exotic accessible.